Hello guys, welcome to the market channel. So today we'll be talking about how to earn on Binance Exchange, how to earn extra income without you placing trade, without you uh, reading charts to enter trade. All you need to do is just put your funds there and you'll be getting a percentage on your funds. So before we continue, please kindly subscribe to this channel if you have not done so. Kindly smash the like button and also you can put a comment in this comment section below. So let's continue. You open your Binance app, you go to the home page, something like this. Then what we do next is click on more. You see deposit, require margin bar 2. So click on the more icon here on this home page, more. When you click on more icon, I'm not editing it. Okay. So you go to finance, the finance category. So this is finance category. We have two. We have savings and staking. But let's deal with savings first. So you click on savings. Once you click on savings, you see this option. You see flexible. You see unlock. You see activity. So activity like what the one they've completed and so and the lock. So we have flexible and lock savings. So flexible savings is you'll be getting return every day, every 24 hours. So you can take out your funds anytime. You might decide, okay, I'm not saving again, let me withdraw my fund. But for lock savings, it will be locked for a particular number of time, maybe for 7 days, 14 days, 1 month, and so like that. So it has to the expiry date of that your savings has to what to be reached before you can withdraw your fund. You can also withdraw your fund or even along the way, but you forfeit your interest. So now looking at the flexible savings here, we have file giving us this percentage, and so you can go down and check them all through. So let's assume that I have file on Gand. I will click on subscribe. I will make sure that I have file in my spot wallet. So I'll click on I'll click on maximum. If it's the whole file I'm using, I'll click on maximum, and then if I'm not using the whole file, I will edit it and put the amount of file I want to use. Then I'll click agree, then confirm purchase. So once you click on confirm purchase, it's going to reflect in your wallet. So you go back. After you gone back, you go to migrate to your wallet, and then after getting to your wallet, at the upper part of your wallet, you will swipe to the earnings part, and once you get to the earnings part, you will see your savings funds there. So if you are holding any coin, even in this deep, if you are holding any coin, you can save it. If you don't want to panic and sell them off, you can save it. So even the coin is dipping or is going up, you still be earning return on it. If you plan on holding a coin for a long time, so instead of you the coin should just be sitting in your account, you can migrate it to the savings account and then start earning return on it. Let's go back now. Let's go to the savings. Let's go to lock. Now look like lock now, you see 7 days, 14 days, 30 days, 90 days. So you see that the return are different. So that's just choose anyone the days you want to save, then you get it done and it calculates it. So once you click subscribe, if you put 14 days, you put the amount, they will tell you the amount you'll be getting in return, maybe 200 and so on. But this is a new account, so there is no available USDT here. So that's all. So like I said, if you plan on holding a coin for a long time, this is another source of income for you. And even if you intend to hold your coin even during this dip, you understand, saving is another option for you to earn more income. You understand, irrespective of what is happening in the market, you will still be getting your return on your savings. Just like you are holding, just like you are saving your funds, you are putting your funds in a savings account, and you are giving it some percentage. So that's how it works. Yeah, you don't need to do anything anytime. You don't need to do any tech analysis. Just put your funds in a savings wallet, and you start any return on it. Even while sleeping, you earn a return. So if you are using a flexible savings every 24 hours, you get a return. If you are using a lock savings, a particular amount of at a particular day or time, you'll be getting your return. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, just smash the like button, and also please kindly press the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. Thank you very much. God bless.